In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Miro board. Start by going to Miro and opening the page where you can create a new board. Once you are there, look for the new board option and select it. This creates a fresh canvas where you can organize ideas, plan projects, or collaborate with a team. Right after you create it, take a moment to rename your board. A clear name makes it easier to find later, especially if you end up with several boards in your workspace. Use a title that matches the purpose, like a project name or meeting topic. Next, click on Board to open the main board menu. This is where you will see key options for managing and working with your board in one place. From here, click on Details. The Details area is useful when you want to review basic information about the board and access related settings. Keeping an eye on these details helps you stay organized as your board grows. After that, click on Highlight. Highlighting helps draw attention to important content on the board. This can be useful during reviews, workshops, or presentations when you need others to focus on a specific section. Now click on Export. Exporting is how you save a copy of your board outside of Miro. This is helpful when you need to share a snapshot, attach it to documentation, or archive progress. When exporting, it is a good habit to confirm you are exporting the right content and that everything you want included is visible on the board. Then click on Move To. This option lets you relocate your board to a different place within your Miro workspace. Moving a board is useful for keeping projects grouped correctly, especially when you have multiple teams or folders. Next, focus on the tools on the left side of your board. This left toolbar is where you access the core creation tools for building your board. Spend a few seconds scanning this area so you know where to go when you need to add and edit content while working. Finally, go to the upper right corner to Share or Present. Sharing lets you collaborate with others, and presenting helps you guide people through your board in a structured way. This area is the control center for collaboration and delivery. That covers everything you need to know.